Okay, unpack with me. Amazon. My first ever skin product from Amazon. So it's quite heavy. And yeah, I was charged quite a lot, but it's finally here. Let me see what we have. Okay. Yeah. I wonder what. Yeah. So I forgot my scissor. A moment. Scissors here and of course I have to get a sip. This is pretty natural juice, just cucumber and pineapple, so it's really good. So let's get back to unpacking. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. I don't know who else loves shopping like I do. I honestly love shopping. One of my best friends recently told me, the way you like spending money, I just pray that God blesses you so much that you do everything. And I just told him, hey, that's why I'm working hard towards that. Okay, what could this be? What could this be? Okay, we shall find out. Good enough, we are here. Okay, what could this be? Because I ordered for skincare products and some oil for my hair. Okay, this looks like some oil for my hair. So, yeah. Okay. Ah, I've been anxious to have this, so that it's finally here. I'll show you in a bit. I'll show you in a bit. Wow. Some rosemary, castor oil. Okay, some rosemary. Yeah, I've been looking forward to this. So, yeah, this is product number one. Yeah, now the big boss. This quite has quite a number of things. Yeah, so let's see what it has. Let's see what it has. Where do I begin now? Where do I begin now? Yeah. Okay. Okay. You know, growing up, I've always trusted my skin so very much that I thought I never needed any special skin products. But I saw most of these products on Amazon, on TikTok, so I decided to try them, and I'm really anxious to use them. So to begin with, no, let me go step by step. Yeah. Okay. I bought a lot of Palmer's products, a lot of them. I really bought a lot of them. I bought a lot of oils. Yeah, I'll show you in a minute. So, to begin with, I bought this Palmer's cocoa butter formula for my hair again. Yeah, for my hair, as you can see. Let me bring it closer. So that is Palmer's hair scalp oil. So I'll be using these two. I hope they will work. I've always been negligent of my hair. I never take care of my hair. Just the way I never take care of my skin, I never take care of my hair. Never. So this time around, I want to do this. So next, I have the rest are skin products. Next, I have the Palmer's moisturizer soften body oil. I've seen quite a lot of reviews. That's why I decided to buy it. That is number one. Yeah. So being someone with quite dry skin, I went for this coconut hydrate body oil. Body oil. So I bought these two oils. Like I said, I'm so green up with when it comes to skincare products, but I'll have to give it a try. Yeah. So I'll have to learn which one do I use first. The hydrant oil, the soften oil. I honestly don't know. So this is one of them for the body. One of the other things that I bought that I'm really anxious to use is this. It's called the Raw Sheer Nourish Body Balm. Okay, I'm really anxious to use it. So anxious to use it. A lot of people talk about how it smells. Let's see if it really smells good. Jesus, it smells so good. Oh my God. I'm already loving it. Jesus. Because apart from its effectiveness, some of the reviews I saw on Amazon, they said it really smells good. And you know, when you have a good lotion, you worry little about the deodorants or perfumes you use. So shea butter, I'm really anxious to use. And then I bought this. It's called Heel Softener. Yeah, it's called Heel Softener. Yeah, like I said, I really have dry skin, totally dry. I don't know why. Yeah, so which is why I really opted for these products from Palmer's. Palmer's. So, or yeah, that's it. Again, lastly, I bought these products. Yeah, these products. I already know what they are, so let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Okay. Someone would ask, what did you buy? Well, I bought this Shea Butter 24 Moisture Chef Cream from ASOS. I chose the vanilla one. Let me see. Let me be sure. Let me be sure. I think I remember I chose vanilla. I hope so. No. Okay, whatever. So I bought this. It was a set of 3. And luckily, I remember it was like $8. I don't remember, but it was really cheap. So again, this is my first time using chef creams. I've never used them. It's my first time because one of my goals for 2024 is to take care of my skin, take care of myself. I mean, this year I've really taken care of myself emotionally, psychologically, and I've really done a very good job. You know, as we begin the year, avoid giving yourself these too many goals. Give yourself small, very few achievable goals. So for me, one of them this year is to try to take care of my skin, because normally it's never the problem is never with starting. The problem is always with consistency. Majority of us, myself inclusive, we really do struggle with consistency. So, which is why this time I'm trying to change. I've never used these products. All of them are new to me. But because when I saw the reviews, when I tried to make some research, they were really good. And being a melanin girl, yeah, dark skin girl, whatever they call it, I really don't want anything that is gonna mess up with my color. So what about now? Let's go through them one more time. I bought these chef creams. Yeah, I've never used any chef creams, so this is gonna be my very first time. So let me see. Actually, ASOS had this beautiful body cream that I wanted to buy. Unfortunately, it couldn't be delivered. I don't know why. Every time I went to check out, they could tell me, hey, wait, it cannot be shipped to your destination. So I couldn't, because I'm using a shipping company, so they couldn't bring it. So I'm really excited about these products. Look there. And I'm also excited about uh, these 2 body oils, the hydrant and the moisturizer. I'm really excited about them. So much excited. And yeah, I'm excited about this heel softener. I hope my skin will be a bit soft, because one of the other reasons why I bought this product was my hands have always been hard. I don't know why. They've always been hard. So it's also another reason as to why I try to buy some of these products, because for example, this one here says daily skin therapy relieves rough dry skin, so I'll try to use it on my body. If of course they had the hand for the hands, but I decided to buy one for specifically and generally for my hands, sorry, for my whole body. So, and of course I'm so excited about this. I think the next time I'll have to buy the bottle one to be able to move with it wherever I'll be going. So I'm really excited about these Palmer's products, especially. And of course, let's see. Yeah, a lot has been talked about, has been said about rosemary. A lot has been said about it. And I'm really hoping to try it. Rosemary castor hair oil. Aceite para el cabello del caso y romero. Yeah, sorry. For those who don't know, I also speak Spanish, so don't hear my accent and you're like, aceite para el cabello. Yeah, I speak some Spanish. Some Spanish? Is that true? No, I speak Spanish. So I'm really also ready to use this. I don't know how far it's gonna take me, plus these two. However, I don't know if I should use them together, but let's see together. Strengthen for this one, for the hair scalp oil, it says strengthens brittle, fragile, breakage prone hair for optimal length. So my hair breaks a lot. I think I've been having the same length of hair for the last 20 years. I don't know why my hair doesn't, as I think it could be about, anatomically, they say our bones reach a point where they can never grow. For example, science says when someone reaches the age of 21, is it 21? You will correct me. Our bones cannot grow any further. So probably my hair also stopped growing. So here we are. I'm really excited. So thank you guys for being with me today. I know it's been a short one, but I've been really anxious about this. Of course, I'm going to attach all these images in this video, and yeah, you will enjoy them. So thank you so much for being with me. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care of one another. Happy New Year.